Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. When reviewing the configuration of your .json file, you stumbled upon a bit of a confusion regarding two similar options related to the appearance of icons in Visual Studio Code. The options in question are workbench.productIconTheme and workbench.iconTheme. It seems like there's a mystery around what each of these options actually does, especially because when you tweak the settings, only one of them seems to make a visible change while the other remains seemingly dormant. Now, let's shed some light with the solution. The workbench.iconTheme setting deals specifically with file and folder icons displayed in various areas such as the File Explorer and Editor tabs. Essentially, it allows you to customize how these icons appear based on the file or directory type. On the other hand, workbench.productIconTheme influences other icons scattered throughout the workbench, providing a theme for product-related icons across Visual Studio Code's UI elements. So, in a nutshell, one tweak affects your file icons, while the other jazzes up the overall visual elements of the interface. In summary, understanding the distinction between workbench.iconTheme and workbench.productIconTheme can help you personalize your Visual Studio Code experience to your liking. So, whether you're revamping your file icons or giving a fresh look to the app's various UI elements, these settings have got you covered. And with that, it's time to wrap up. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!